Good morning, guys.
Very good morning, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Where is my turn? Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Ma'am, what is the benefit of uneducated population?
Benefit?
Yeah.
I don't think that
Uneducated population.
there is no benefit of uneducated
How can you
population.
say?
If we think about that uneducated population, it will be destroy our country. If it really happened that time, they think so that
If they have a highly level mind, other side they have a uneducated,
Listen,
but they have a highly mind.
if they have a highly mind, that time they will prefer education.
Without education, how can we increase our economy?
There is no need of education. There is a lot of field where we can increase our economy. If some person is educated and they can provide the work to other person, that time we are the person who are increasing our GDP. As we know about economy, as we know about it that we are paying tax. If we are talking about the pen, it will made only 3 rupees, but we are paying 5 rupees to 10 rupees for a pen. And as we are talking about the other thing, we also pay the tax on that thing. That time we can say that yes, if we are talking about the subject is the most subject is playing the most important role in the developing our economy.
If our economy, as you know about economy increase day by day, our country, so it's a benefit for us or not?
It is very beneficial for us because if our economy will increase, that time we can make strong our country.
Only country and us.
If we are what we are I'm talking, I said that if we are develop our country, if we make our country strong, that time we already become strong.
But nowadays many people living in poverty level.
Or
Garib.
yes, we can say that, but if we are talking about that, it is less ratio regarding the other thing. We can say that yes, there is a lower uh, level in our country. But if we are talking about that, we can survive easily our family, and there's a lot of things we can survive easily here.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
Ma'am, as you asked this question, what is the benefit? What is the difference between scientist and engineer? I confused that time that both are same because I was thinking about the ISRO.
Yes.
They is different or not?
I have not knowledge about this. That's why I asked this. That what the difference between why we have divided the scientists and engineers?
Yeah.
Why we have not the only one person? That's why I asked because he had the knowledge about the engineer. That's why I asked. In fact, I didn't know about this, but I will research about this.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. This is my question. That was my question.
Just
Yes, this is only this. I wanted to ask this.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. What do you know about Kho as your this is favorite game?
I know so many rules about Kho. When you play with me, that time I will dance.
Now you
because
can
there are
now
so
you
many
can tell
rules.
me without play.
Actually, in Kho, we need concentration and focus on the player. If our concentration break, then we got out. Because in Kho, concentration and focus is most important. Because if you are turning your face, even your shoulder is turning, then the referee indicate you that it will be
How
foul.
many players play in Kho?
It will be in sit. Actually, there are 11 players. 2 are extra and 9 players are play.
How many players sit in ground and how many players running?
They
in
both
ground?
are same. One is for riding,
Yeah.
and 8 players are sitting. And when runners are come, it will be they are divided into 3-3.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I don't know what is. Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Sonu Lodi. I'm from Shana. I study BA second year, and I have a simple app, and I'm an art student.
Which subject did you pass 12th class?
Art side,
Why did you choose this?
because I don't have a. I choose a PCM. I want to choose a PCM, but my father forced me to that. You can't success in PCM. He said he has think that I am not able to complete the PCM. So that's why I choose art. And art is not bad because I like it. That's why I choose art.
Do you make art?
Yes, I make.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello. How many days you have completed here?
Please repeat.
How many days you have completed here?
Only 1.5 1.5 month complete.
One of. Which structure did you complete?
Yes, almost complete structure.
So tell me about five sentences about doodles.
Okay. What do you do? Father do? What is type से पूछ सकते हैं?
You can speak any sentence about doodles.
Okay. She does go to temple and हाँ सीधा
Right.
डूडा जो बोला है ना
Yeah.
वह टेम्पल सॉरी पर डच के साथ गोश्त थोड़ी लग जाएगा दोनों में सॉरी सॉरी
Okay, when we use does.
ओके सर यू टेल मी अबाउट दिस क्वेश्चन यू मुझसे तुम आस्क पूछो ना
Will you go? Will you go?
I will go after coaching.
Where will you go?
Go to home. I will go home.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.